Hey collectors, welcome back to Collectiverse. In today's video, we will be unboxing the Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture Team Transport Mix 2 from 2026. This mix has casting number 89, 90 and 91. It is a very interesting one. It is a mix of both modern and classic castings. Without any further ado, let's start with the number 91, which is 66 Chevrolet Corvair Yenko Stinger with the 1972 Chevy ramp truck Camion Rampe. Very interesting one. I like the color on this. Here is the artwork, pretty nice. I like the sky here. And as I said, the color is really nice. It's an instant classic. I do like the color on this one. We will take a closer look very shortly. This is a snapshot of the castings in this set. Here is the Chevrolet. Not bad at all. I do like it overall. Let's take a closer look. Here you go. It looks really good and feels really premium when you hold it in your hand. Here, let's take a look at the truck first. Good details in the front. Screams quality all around. The wheels are nice. So these are real riders. This is metal on metal. So this is a true, premium casting premium set from Hot Wheels, and interestingly, this is my first time unboxing an entire set in a video. I have unboxed Team Transports before, but never a whole set in a video. So that's something new that I'm doing in this video. Overall, very nice one. Let's take a look at the car. Not bad at all. I do like the logos on the side. Number 6 on the top and the sides. Good details on the tail light and the front light. Let me know your thoughts about this one. To me, this one would rank at number 3 because we got some more exciting castings. So yeah, I think that's justified. Let me know if you would differ from my ranking in the comment section. For now, enjoy this closer look. Next, we got the 2024 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5 FD with the Aero lift. This is a modern drift machine. I absolutely love the design on this one. You can see the Mustang logo here at the end. Yeah, overall a very nice one for modern car fans or modern collectors. This is a must-have. I do like the fact that it has different wheels on the front and the back. Yeah, again, another great artwork on the card. I do like this one as well. Maybe the previous one was better, but if you like the casting, then it really doesn't matter. Let's take this out of the package. Here is the Ford GTR out of the package. Let's take a closer look at each of them. First, again, we will take a closer look at the Aero lift. Not bad. Of course, this part is metal. This is metal, but this one is plastic. Good thing it moves. That's nice. Not bad. So you can. Okay, that's a good detail. So you can actually spread it, and then this will, drive here, and then you can do this. Not bad. Good attention to detail. Here's the chassis. It has some details, so that's always a bonus. Some details on the tail light. Some details on the headlights as well. I do like this plastic headlights rather than painted headlights, so that's really nice. Wheels work great. Not bad at all. I do like this one. Let's take a closer look at the car itself. Here you go. Lots of details on the side, even on the top as well. Lots of logos. We got Optima, NGK, NTK. This one is Pennzoil. So lots of detailing on the sides and on the top in terms of the logos. Here we have lots of logos as well. As I mentioned earlier, the Mustang logo at the end. The tail light looks really good. Very nicely detailed as well. And here's the headlight. Very nicely detailed. Let me know your thoughts on this one. I do like this one really a lot. Yeah. Here it says Ford. I think this one is Shell's logo. Not that clear, but that's what I think it is. Ford written at the bottom. At the end, nice detailing on the chassis as well. Again, metal on metal, so you get that premium vibe. A+ casting in my opinion. I do really like this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and enjoy this closer look. We are already down to our last casting from this set. This is the debutante Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR with the Mercedes-Benz Renntransporter. This is a new casting, so this is a debut for Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR. So yeah, I would say this would be the most difficult one to find in the on the pegs. So good luck with that. Yeah. On top of that, this is a very well detailed and very premium quality casting. You can already see the detailing on the seats. The interior looks really good as well. Nice artwork as well. So all three cards has really good artworks. So for collectors who like to display the unboxed Hot Wheels, this is an absolute treat for them. For me, I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna take this out of the package right now. Here we go, Mercedes-Benz out of the package. Looks really good. Out of the package. Let's take a closer look at the truck. Here you go. Does it move? Nope. This is fixed. But yeah, it really is a instant classic truck, instant classic car. I do like this one a lot. Nice wheels, very premium detailing. I think this is I think this is plastic, but I'm not completely sure because the color on this one is really good. It's very heavy compared to others as well. Here's a closer look at the chassis. Not much detail, which is disappointing, but you know how it is. Good detailing on the front. Yeah, the Mercedes logo. Yeah, not bad. Very subtle because it's a classic truck, so it makes sense. Yeah, let's take a closer look at the car itself. Here you go, 722 on the sides, very nice detailing. The wheels look really good as well on this one. Maybe not as good as the GTR, but still, this is really nice. The front has very nice detailing for a classic car. And yeah, let's take a closer look at the tail lights, very nicely detailed. And now let's take a closer look at the interior. Just look at how detailed it is. The steering wheels, the gearboxes, very interesting and very satisfying for the collectors as well to have such, detailed interior. This is a convertible, which is always one of my most favorite thing about a car. So for model cars, I have a weakness for the convertibles, so it's an absolute treat to have it in my collection. Let me know your thoughts. Definitely the number one car from this set, from this mix for me. Yeah, let me know if you have different opinions about this, and enjoy this closer look. So yeah, I think overall it is a very strong mix. Yeah, as I said, the Mercedes would be my first choice, second would be the Ford Mustang, and the Chevrolet would be my third in the ranking. Let me know your ranking in the comment section, and yeah, let me know if you have already started seeing this on the pegs. For me, not yet, but yeah, maybe in the next month or two, I will start seeing this one, especially the Chevrolet on the pegs. Can't really say much about the Ford GTR or the Mercedes. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking till the end. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching. Stay tuned with MK Collectiverse. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'll see you in the next one.